Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be tearing apart this computer, this power converter, and this diaphragm pump. Hopefully that's a nice big chunk of copper in there and not aluminum wire. But first, let's start off with the computer. All of the plastic gets recycled. All of the steel gets sold at the scrapyard. Okay, so everything we got out of the computer, we got this, I think it's like an SD card reader. I'm not really sure exactly, but we have a DVD, like CD reader. We have the power supply. We have the main motherboard here with, looks like a couple 1 gigabyte RAM sticks, the CPU, bunch of just electrical components. We have a USB stick here. I think this is like some kind of Wi-Fi card. We have the radiator for the CPU, the heatsink. We have the video card, a very small video card. Pretty sure this is a hard drive. And then we have some brass screws here. So I got to see if any of this is like worthwhile, like trying to sell online or something. But if none of it's worth it, then I'll probably just put it in my circuit board box for later and then just take all the components off and try to sell them separately. But hopefully I can find some kind of buyer for this stuff. Okay, moving on to the diaphragm pump. Graphite brushes. Man, that is so red. Those are magnets inside. This should be all steel. Yep. All right, let's see if this is real copper. Looks like it's aluminum. See, this piece is actually zinc. Okay, so everything we got from the pump, we got a stack of aluminum here, we got some brass, a little switch, which should have a silver contact inside. We got some graphite brushes with the copper wire. We got a copper actuator. We got a chunk of zinc, a little bit of wire. Now for the fun one, the power converter. Hopefully that's all copper inside. This is aluminum right here. Man. Steel. Oh, this part looks like real copper. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, and it's copper. That is copper. Nice. Okay, I'm going to sort through all this and I'll show you everything when it's all nice and organized and what everything is. Just got to get this commutator off because this is copper too. Okay, now let's get the copper out of this bad boy. Got some silver contacts. Okay, we have our total yield. So here's all the computer components again. We already went over all that. We got a big stack of copper here from that transformer. All the red copper, the cutoffs from the transformer right there is nice chunks. There's the commutator. I'm keeping this copper wire separate because I think some of it's tinned, and also those couplings are also copper as well. But not sure what those are coated with, so I'm keeping those separate. A couple miscellaneous circuit boards with I think those are aluminum screw housings. Bunch of wires. Some extruded aluminum. I gotta get the rest of that stuff off, but it's all riveted, so it's gonna be a pain. Some cast aluminum, bunch of brass, a little bit of copper right there, and some zinc. Got a few silver contacts here, kind of small. but every little bit of silver adds up. And I'm not sure what these electrical components are. Maybe one of you guys could let me know down in the comments. That's for all my tinned copper and miscellaneous copper, I guess, but I keep it separate from the bare bright. And then this will be like solid form copper. Miscellaneous stuff go in this random, into this random can. Wires to be stripped another day. Wrong one. I was like, where did all my circuit boards go? This bucket's just for all the wire that's got coating, varnish, plasticky stuff on it, etc. I'm actually going to put this commutator inside my slag bucket because it's got so much of that random just crap on it. I need to process some of my slag buckets here soon. Nordic gold one and the aluminum bronze one pretty full. Well, we're pretty much done. The only thing I got left to do is just extract these little pieces off the extruded aluminum and then try to figure out if I can sell any of this stuff. If not, then I guess we'll just scrap that too, probably put it in my circuit board box. But if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment, and we do have memberships available now, so definitely check that out. And if you want to see everything that I use this stuff for, all the metal, what I do with it all, check out some of my other videos on my channel. I make some pretty cool stuff. But until then, guys, I'll see you in the next video.